Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C17 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. We will check whether we will have this option here. Unfortunately not. Let's try to unroll the bar. It is not available, so no worries, just tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner. And here let's scroll down to this video section. We've got the video resolution here, so let's tap, and as you can see in this device we've got two different options, so 1080p, which is currently applied, and 720p. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use, it will be immediately marked and also notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.